So I was a little bored earlier today and I figured I'd start my bathroom remodel. The house we bought has a full bath and a half bath, and this bath had the house was built in 78, and this thing had a fiberglass shower surround with the tub in it, and it had cracked on the bottom there and obviously was leaking a little bit. So it was time. So I'll be cutting that out and repairing that as well. I've got to relocate this 3-inch vent stack that goes up through this bulkhead and offsets out and goes up through the roof. So I got to relocate that, as well as remove this bulkhead. We're going to take that right up to the ceiling. Probably put some sort of shower can in there as well. I'm going to redo the floor and do a tile floor, probably put heat in it, heating coils. House has hydronic heat. New vanity. We're going to relocate this closet. It's like a linen closet. I'm going to get a built-in, move it here, and push the vanity down. This will make it a little bit bigger. I think this one's just under like maybe 4 feet or so. We're going to go with about a 5-foot single sink vanity. So in the meantime, being that we only have one full bath, I did a temp setup for the shower downstairs that the missus isn't really thrilled about. So here it is. Built a little stand, reused the pieces that came out of the bathroom upstairs, reused the mixer. Obviously, a tap right off the drain of the hot water heater there. Got the nice counterweight of water bottles. So this is I got a floor drain in the basement, so that's my temporary shower for hopefully a short period of time here. Mama's already complaining about this one, so figured she'd get a kick out of it. I'll bring you along as we go. There'll be more to come.